what else can I say about this trade? Let's go back to the 4 hour, see if there's anything else I need to talk about. Well, the fact that we're above the moving average is, okay, not that important because the moving averages have been flatlining and converging because, of course, we've been in a sideways consolidation. Anyway, you can see where we are on the 4 hour chart. The low of this candle is 183.71. Where would I put my stop loss? I think if we put it just below 183.60, that should just give us enough room with very low risk. And if this market takes off, as I hope it does, well, the first place we should be looking for is 184.60 to 184.70. That would be this zone here. So that alone would make it a pretty good trade, good return. What are we looking at? 70, 80 pips or something. That's pretty good if you're only risking about 25. So it could be a 3-to-1 risk reward. But to be fair, eventually, and it could take a while, there's no reason why we can't get up to retest the previous highs. So we'll keep an eye on that and hope it works.